Sanatana is one of the greenest and well-planned campuses in India. The campus is located on one of the most beautiful hillocks of Kanhangad, adding to the aesthetic feel of the location. Hills and vast open spaces frame the beautiful campus.
SANATANA College provides value-based and holistic education which paves the way for an integrated development of mental, physical, intellectual aspect of personality, which is enriched by knowledge of Indian culture, enhanced by patriotism and universal outlook.
SANATANA Arts and Science College is a unique institution of its kind in the Kasaragod district, imparting quality education in commerce and humanities to the ambitious youngsters of the present era. It is a center of academic excellence, offering ideal infrastructure and institutional facilities. The management recognizes students benefit greatly from sports and the performing arts. The opportunity for extracurricular activities helps students grow in their understanding of giving and generosity. The institution has been recognized by the government of Kerala, affiliated to Kannur University, and run by Sanatana Educational Trust, Nilishu. We envision the institution as a purely secular, cosmopolitan, and co-educational center of higher education. Our long-term plan is to develop the institution into an academy of higher education with the motto, Pursuit of Excellence.